Okay, so welcome back. And now we're going to do some application examples. This one we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, and we're going to use trig functions to solve this problem. So this is the I-Ferris in London. And so one of the wires that holds the Ferris wheel in place needs to be replaced. And so what we know is that the wire goes from the center to here, about 23 feet from the base of the Ferris wheel, and the height of the Ferris wheel from the center to the base is 69.5 meters. I believe it's measured in meters. Let's see, just make sure. Yeah, meters. So the units are in meters. Okay, and so we want to find two things. We want the length of the wire that needs to be replaced and the angle of elevation that the wire is at. Okay, so in other words, we need to find theta, and we need to find the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So the first thing is we're going to find the length of this, which is just by using the Pythagorean theorem, the Pythagorean identity. So all we have to do is use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so how do we do that? Easy. Just take 23 squared plus 69.5 squared equals c squared. Okay, 23 squared is 529. 69.5 squared, I don't know that, I calculate that in my head, but where's it? Oh, they don't give it to me. Okay, but you can put it in your calculator, and 69.5, and this is going to be approximately, well, you know, why do approximately? It should be exact. Okay, where's my, hold on a second. I'm going to just calculate it right now. Where is, oh. Okay. Okay, so it's going to be 529 plus 4830. 4830 to 25. Yeah, 4830.25. So that's 4830.25. And so if we add these together, what do we get? We get 53, oops, hold on. Yeah, 59.25. Okay. And so now what we're going to do is, that's going to be equal to c squared. And if we take the square root of both sides, we get, now we're talking about the hypotenuse, we're talking about length, so it can't be negative. So this is going to equal the square root of 59.25, which is going to be approximately equal to 73.2 meters. Okay, so that's the length of the wire that we need. Okay, now what about the angle? Now I'm not going to use this measurement in my calculation because these are exact, this is estimated. Okay, so it's rounded. So I'm going to use these. So I'm going to use tangent because that's going to be a better estimate. You never want to use a rounded number into another calculation if you have exact numbers that you can do the same thing. So we're going to use tangent in this case. So tangent theta equals 69.5 over 23. And so I'm going to do theta is equal to tangent inverse of 69.5 over 23. And so if I use the inverse tangent function, I get approximately 1.2522. And so this is in radians. So if I convert to degrees, then that's going to be approximately 71.69 degrees. Oops, what is it here? 71.69. And that's the answer. So the angle of elevation is 71.69 degrees and the length of the wire is 73.2 meters. Have a great day.